In this video, I'm going to very quickly show you how you can update the text or copy on your Squarespace template. So all you need to do is once you are signed in, go to website and ensure you're selecting the right page that you wish to edit. Today, I'm using our volume 1 template, which will be available to purchase on thepsychestudio.co.uk very, very soon. So once you've selected the page that you wish to edit, you go and click edit at the top here. Once you hover over the text, you will see each of the different text boxes show up like so. All you need to do is click on the text box that you wish to edit, highlight the text, type in whatever it is that you wish to say, and voila! In order to change the size of the text, if you highlight over it, and then on the drop down here, you'll be able to see all of the different sizes that you would be able to change it to. If you feel at any point you've made a mistake and you wish to reverse your changes, on a Mac, just click Command Z as many times as necessary until you get back to the beginning. If you're working on a PC, it will be Control Z. Or for ease, you can use the forward and back arrows at the top here. Once you have changed the text to whatever you would like it to say, just make sure that you save your work at the top and you're done.